Hey everyone, it's Your Name here, and today, I'm diving into something that's gonna change the game for your business. We're talking about Andy Hafell's proven strategies to boost your business with AI. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's get into it. So, you're a business owner, right? You're always looking for that edge, that next big thing to propel your business forward. Well, AI, or artificial intelligence, is exactly that. And Andy Hafell? This guy's a wizard when it comes to leveraging AI for business growth. First up, let's talk about customer insights. Andy emphasizes using AI to understand your customers on a deeper level. AI can analyze tons of data points like buying habits, online behavior, and even social media interactions. This data gives you a crystal clear picture of what your customers want and need. Imagine being able to tailor your products or services exactly to their preferences. That's a game changer. Next, Andy's big on automation. Look, time is money. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up your time, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. From customer service chatbots to automated email marketing campaigns, AI handles the grunt work, so you don't have to. And the best part? It does it faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. Now let's talk about predictive analytics. Andy's strategies include using AI to predict future trends and behaviors. Think of it like having a crystal ball for your business. By analyzing past data, AI can forecast future demand, helping you make smarter decisions. You can optimize your inventory, plan marketing campaigns, and even anticipate customer needs before they arrive. It's like being one step ahead of the game at all times. Another killer strategy from Andy is personalized marketing. AI can segment your audience and deliver highly personalized content. We're talking about emails, ads, and even product recommendations that are tailored to each individual customer. Personalized marketing boosts engagement, conversions, and ultimately sales. It's like having a marketing team that knows your customers better than they know themselves. Finally, Andy stresses the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. AI is constantly evolving, and so should your strategies. Keep up with the latest advancements and don't be afraid to experiment. The businesses that thrive are the ones that are always learning and adapting. So there you have it, folks. Andy Hafell's AI strategies can transform your business, giving you that competitive edge you've been searching for. Don't just take my word for it, try it out and see the results for yourself. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and drop a comment below on how you're planning to use AI in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.